This video is a comparison between two biggest Chinese sourcing websites, Alibaba.com and 1688.com. And right after watching this video, you will be able to make your decision between these two websites. Like you will be able to finalize which website you can use to source your product. Because at the end, if you're an e-commerce seller, your main goal is to get good profit and good revenue. And good profit can only be achievable if you source your product with a good quality and lowest possible price. So the lowest your sourcing price will be, the highest profit you can get. And believe me guys, right after watching this video, when I compare the prices for the same product on Alibaba.com and 1688.com, you will be amazed like how much there is a price difference between these two websites, because these two websites are from same country, China, but there is a huge price difference between the same product selling on the one website and on the other website. So if you do your e-commerce sourcing properly from the website who is giving you a good quality product at lowest possible price, then you can actually sell your price on your retail store at the lower price than your competitor. So that will give you a competitive edge and you can actually get more and more sales and more revenue. So this video is basically a pack of full value for all of those e-commerce sellers who want to grow and scale their business and who want to make good profit. So if you also think like that, then make sure to watch this short video completely till the end, step by step, so you can also learn and follow the method I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and you can also scale your business to the next level. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and here I have just opened Alibaba.com, and from Google I have just typed 1688, and from there I am just clicking on this first link, which is 1688.com, and then after opening that website I have just opened Amazon.com here. So let's just search for any product which we can just take as an example for this video. So we can just try sourcing that particular product from these two websites, and at the end we can just compare like from which website we can just get more profit. So we can just use that and scale our business more efficiently. So let's just search for a product, pilots bars. Alright, so after searching that keyword pilots bar on Amazon.com, I can see these listings. Like some listings are selling for $21, but some listings are selling for $35.99 depending on the accessories they are providing, the packaging and the extra stuff. You can see that the third listing, which is having a bag, some pilot bars, a sticker chart and a fitness video. So basically the packaging of this video contain a lot of stuff, that's why they are selling for $35.99. But on the other hand, on the third listing, they are only giving the pilots bar, so that's why they are selling for $21.59. So let's just further scroll down and let's open any of the listings from these sellers, like this one, which is selling for $25.99. So if I open this listing, you can see that if I purchase the product from this listing, I can get a pilot bar and a resistant band. So let's just copy the keyword of that product and search that product on Alibaba and see for how much dollar we can actually source that product from Alibaba. So copy the keyword pilots bar, go on Alibaba and paste that keyword. And on the same side, we can just go on Google and paste the same keyword and click on images. And from here we can just download any of the images having white background, just like this one. Okay, so after opening that image, we can just right click on that, save that image, name that image as pilots bar and save it here on the laptop. So later I will let you know why I saved this image from Google in a white background. So now go back again on Alibaba and see for how much dollar we can get this product. So this is the first seller and they can actually give us this product for $2.2 to $3, and if we scroll down we can see some other seller as well. They're actually giving this product from $1.85 to $2 and $3.87 to $5.8. So here you can see that this is the lowest price like $2.2 and this is the highest price like $3 for this listing. But this lowest price is not workable because this is the price range, and these sellers have set these price range just to attract the customer, because they want the customer to contact them and later they will not give you at that price like $2.2. So we can just consider this price as $3. So if you zoom out and scroll down, so we can see that on an average we can get this product at $3, because here you can see that $4.55, $4.7, and if you go further down we can see $2.3 and $2.75. So we can just consider the average price for this product on Alibaba as $3. So now let's go back again on Amazon, and from here for this listing we can just copy the ASIN. And after copying that ASIN, go on Google and type FBA calculator, and from this first link let's just open the FBA revenue calculator, so we can actually calculate like if we sell this product then how much profit we can get if we source that product from Alibaba. So let's just open that calculator, click on continue as guest, paste that ASIN, search. Then after searching you can see that this product has fetched automatically from Amazon database, and here you can see that $25.99 was selling price, 4.8 was Amazon FBA fee, 5.6 was fulfillment cost, and storage fee is $0.12. And if we go further down, so in this cost of goods sold we can just put the number 3, because on Alibaba we can just source that product for $3. So after putting that amount, if we go down, so we can see that if we purchase this product from Alibaba, we can actually get $12.29 profit, and the profit percentage is 47.28%. So that is a very good number. But here we are missing out one thing, which is shipping cost. So for example, if the shipping cost for this product from China to Amazon is $2, so after putting out that cost, we can see that the profit reduced, and now it is $10.29, and the profit percentage is almost 40%. So now this is the profit per unit if we source that product from Alibaba. Now go on 1688.com and try to find out the supplier on that website for that particular product and see how much profit we can get if we source that product from 1688. So let's just go on 1688. And from here you can see that this website is totally in Chinese, and no matter if I translate this website from Chinese to English, many of the things like images, banner, description will be still in Chinese. So this is one of the biggest reason that this website is not so popular and not so many people are using this website actually. So if you start using that website from today, then you can actually beat your competition because of the less popularity of this website. So let's just click on English and let's see how much text of this website is converted into English. So you can see that some of the text is converted but not all. So now let's search for our product, and in the search bar, instead of typing your product keyword, because if you type your product keyword in English, then that website might not be able to find your product correctly. So the best way to find or search your product on this website is image search. That's why I have downloaded the image of that product from Google in a white background. So I can just go on the search bar for this website, click on this camera icon, go on download and upload that image of that product from here. So after uploading that image, I can just wait and let that website find that product for me accurately. Alright, so after waiting for a couple of seconds, you can see that that website has searched the same product for us at a very reasonable price and at a very good quality. You can see that we can find out many of the good product listing here. So let's just open any one of the listing which we like. So after opening that listing, you can see that all the text on that listing is in Chinese. You can see on the top there's a company name, the factory name basically, from which you can just actually contact the factory manager or factory owner directly. So they can actually give you a very good price at a very good quality. And you can see here the price is in Chinese yuan, like this is the China local currency, and if we convert that currency like 13 yuan to USD, so here if I just put 13, like you can just go Google type RMB to USD, so 13 yuan will equal to $1.86. So that means if we go on Amazon FBA calculator again and put $1.86 here, so then you can see that the profit has been increased, and the profit right now is $11.49 and the profit percentage is 44.2%. So as you can see here, if you switch your supplier from Alibaba to 1688, then you can actually get up to 5% or even 10% increment in your profit of your Amazon product. So this little effort of 1 or 2 hours can actually save you a lot of money and get you a lot of good profit. So if you want to use 1688 as your supplier, so you can just go on 1688.com, search for your product, open that listing, and on the top you can see that this is their company name. So if you want to read the text, you can just open your Google Translate app on your phone, open your camera and read any text you want. And if you want to communicate with them into Chinese, you can just click on this blue button and then click again on this blue button. So what it will do is it will open a messenger, and that messenger is basically used to communicate with them, communicate with these Chinese supplier. But the main problem is that they will not understand English. So you need to put some effort here. You can just type your message and copy and paste that message into Google Translate and then send them the message, and when you get the reply from them, you need to read that reply from the Google Translate. But believe me guys, if you do this small effort in sourcing your product, then you can actually save a lot of your money and you can actually increase a lot of your profit. So right after watching this video, go there, find the supplier of your product, click on this blue button, talk to them about your product in Chinese and make a deal with them for some of your units like 50 or 60 units. So if you make your first order with them as a test order for 30 or 50 pieces, then you will be able to know about the quality and pricing. And then if everything works fine, then you can actually order more inventory from them in future and scale your business and get more and more profit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.